Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, I am Sakib. Assalamu alaikum. Today, describe about my brother. My brother's name Sheikh Riajuddin Shipon. He is around 26 years old. He is my good brother in my life. He is my big brother. He lives in Bagbari. I am lucky to have such a caring brother who helps with my working, plays cricket, and support me with everything in life is support. It takes a special person in my life. He is very naughty. He cares for me and loves me. My brother is not just an elder brother but my sunshine and role model. He is a student as well as businessman. He is a honest person.